established one thing here. This is liberated territory. This is like the south of Lebanon. It is liberated. And you can tell that to your managers back in occupied Palestine. This is now a village. The village is called Free Palestine. These tents will be held. Now be prepared. If you have anything that you want to do, you want to play football, local people in Leicester, come and play football here. This is your territory. Say to the Imam, you want to give khutbah for Salat al-Jum'ah. Come here. This is where you do. And most importantly, when night falls, make sure you have your cameras on and that you capture what exactly is done to try to repress what is happening here. Because the very same logic that we see practiced upon the Palestinians will be attempted upon the people that come here. Tell them in Manchester, in London, in Oldham, in Plymouth, in Portsmouth, the hundreds of thousands of people in this country that feel deeply for the Palestinian cause, this is where you need to be. This is liberated territory. And let's remember what exactly was established in May 2021. Because everybody in that factory now knows it to be true. Leicester was a key part of restraining what Israel was able to do. When you had 6 days of people shutting down that factory, what happened? They asked the fire brigade, please come and remove those people. And what did the fire brigade say? No, we support them. Then what did the community say? The community said, no, we support them. Palestine Action is a channel for that energy. And that energy exists. That energy owns the streets of this country. Now let's be clear. When they say to us that you cannot defeat invincible Israel, big bad Israel, let's be clear. Oldham defeated Israel. Defeated Israel. Let's be clear. London defeated Israel. Defeated Israel. And we continue to defeat you and create more fronts for you to deal with. Now the first song that I'm going to do is called Long Live Palestine. Make some noise for the brothers on the sound all day. This song is called Long Live Palestine. It goes something like this. This is for, hold just 1 second please brother, 1 second. Goes like this. This is for Palestine, Ramallah, West Bank, Gaza. This is for the child that is searching for an answer. Wish I could take your tears and replace them with laughter. Long live Palestine! Long live Gaza! Long live Palestine! Long live Gaza! Palestine, Ramallah, West Bank, Gaza. This is for the child that is searching for an answer. Wish I could take your tears and replace them with laughter. Long live Palestine! Long live Gaza! Long live Palestine! Long live Gaza! Okay, let's go. Put one finger up in the sky, everyone. Put one finger up in the sky. Let's see them up there. From the river to the sea, Palestine will be free. Put them up there. Why we listen to tunes made by ignorant fools? Israel, they'll be hearing from the liberating free. They bring in the truth, so we won't even picture the news. Make money off the products we are quick to consume. And this is not simply a question of different views. You get emotions, this is fact. Power spit is the truth. It's not about if you're a Christian or if you're a Jew. It's just people living in different conditions to you. They still die when you go to their schools. Martial arts forms is not because of rockets, please. But can you stop the sword? I'm not related to the strangers on the TV, but I relate, cause those strangers will be me. Words we never ever explain with word tragedy. It's not a girl, they're just murdering more rapidly, or we are automatically supporting clear savagery. Imagine how you feel if this was your family. But I'm not there, window shades.
now. Free, free Palestine. 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 Free, free Palestine.
Could resist without a wheelchair. 10-year challenge, they'll break it, we are still here. Until that killing that you young, we should feel fear. The old live through us, guarantee the children real care. Criminal, not invincible, man, you know it's on with food, still sitting in their stoic. May not feel us with you when you listen to our poets. You inspire humanity, the resistance is heroic regardless of talk. It's time we answer the call. Through your strength and spirit, you provide example for all. How to live, how to love when attacked from the clouds above. Songs you start can't be drowned by the sound of guns. Watch us watching tragic times through a satellite dish. The least that we can do is an anthem like this. They find it trying to analyze and sanitize this. When we love you all
Palestine, we will never let you go.
Sing it with me now.
Free, free Palestine. 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 Free, free Palestine.
Palestine, Ramallah, West Bank, Gaza. This is for the child that is searching for an answer. Wish I could take your tears and replace them with laughter.
Long live Palestine. Long live Gaza.
Long live Palestine.
Long live Gaza.
Long live Palestine.
Long live Gaza.
Long live Palestine.
Long live Gaza.
Long live Palestine.
Long live Gaza.
Very much, cut. Now the next song that we're gonna do is called Terrorist, and it goes something like this. They're calling me a terrorist, like they don't know who the terrorist. When they put it on me, I tell them this. I'm all about peace and love. When they calling me a terrorist, like they don't know who the terrorist. Insulting my intelligence. Oh, how these people charge. Shut that, let's go. Let's do it. Let's drop that next track, please, bro. Nice one. Peace signs up in the sky, put your peace signs up in the sky. Let's see those peace signs up high. All the way from Leicester to Leicester. The name of Palestine Action has been written on the walls of Gaza. You are part of that. Wave from side to side. Now everybody wave from side to side. Now wave from side to side. Now wave from side to side. Let me see you wave from side to side. Now wave from side to side. Now wave from side to side. Let me see you wave from side to side. Now wave from side to side. Let's go. They're calling me a terrorist. I don't know who the terrorist. When they put it on me, I tell them this. I'm all about peace and love. But they're calling me a terrorist. Like they don't know who the terrorist. Insulting my intelligence. Oh, how these people judge. It seems like the rackets and packies are probably in your dad. But your dad's favorite food is it's funny but it's sad. How they make you out me hungry with a badge. Why don't you just study all the facts? Tell me, what's a bigger threat to human society? Elbit Systems for homemade remote control, killing off human lives and manhood. I know you've been terrified when you saw the towers falling so terror, but some forms are more powerful, it seems not. I know that he's up, you can even He's not allergy! The definition of an ever exist. I guess it's all just a venom who you never assist. Irrelevant, however, to the rhetoric, better than reason to make fibs now. To the terrorists,
like they ain't know who's the terrorist.
when they put it on me, I tell them this.
I'm all about peace and love.
When they calling me a terrorist,
Like they don't know who the terrorist.
insulting my intelligence. Oh, how these people judge. No one was democracy, once a day was democracy, and then there was democracy, hypocrisy, it murders me. Who you terrorists, who don't want to be a colony, refuse their bow down to a policy, and robbery is terrorism, my lyrics. with more Vietnam vets. Doing so after the border gang in it, this is very basic. One nation in the world has over 1,000 military bases. They say it's religion, but clearly it isn't. Not just Muslims that are kosher with imperialism. Was who run chapters, I'm Muslim now. I didn't think so, was Castro, I'm Muslim now. I didn't think so, was that the definition didn't ever exist. Guess it's all just depending who your nemesis is. Irrelevant, how eloquent the rhetoric peddler is and telling fibs now. Tell us who the terrorist is.
Calling me a terrorist, like they don't know who the terror is. When they put it on me, I tell them this. I'm all about peace and love. Peace and love. They calling me a terrorist, like they don't know who the terror is. Insulting my intelligence. Oh, how these people judge.
Thank you very much, brother. Thank you. And just to say, before I go, massive salutations to every single one of you. You are the future. This will stay, and they will go. What I say? 2 down, 8 to go. We got 2 down, 8 to go. What's that? 2 down, 8 to go. We got 2 down, 8 to go. What's that?
2 down, 8 to go.
We got 2 down, 8 to go. What's that?
2 down, 8 to go. We got 2 down, 8 to go.
What's that?
2 down, 8 to go. We got 2 down, 8 to go.
What's that?
2 down, 8 to go. We got 2 down, 8 to go.
What's that?
2 down, 8 to go. We got 2 down, 8 to go.
What's that?
2 down, 8 to go. We got 2 down, 8 to go.
What's that?
2 down, 8 to go. We got 2 down, 8 to go.
Sing it.
2 down, 8 to go. We got 2 down, 8 to go.
One more time.
2 down, 8 to go. We got 2 down, 8 to go.
Okay, one more.
2 down, 8 to go. We got 2 down, 8 to go.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Palestine! Free, free! Palestine! Free, free! Palestine! Shut Elbit down!
Loads of us went into those factories, we occupied it, we smashed all the weapons, we had the community out in support, and we shut them down! We shut them down permanently! That is how you do it! No more! No more! We're not going to accept it anymore! We can't keep telling Palestinians we're in support, we can't keep saying we are all Palestinians if we're not going to take a few risks ourselves! What we've done is not enough, because there are 109 Palestinians been murdered so far this year, 109 across the West Bank. That's the record in the last 15 years. How many were killed in the bombing of Gaza in May 2021, when the whole world finally woke up a little bit, just a little bit? But that's not enough. That's not enough. When I was in Gaza, they were marching towards the bullets. They were marching towards the bullets. The bullets were coming in, they were marching anyway. So what more can we do? We shut it down in Oldham, we can shut it down in Leicester, we can shut it down in Kent, we can shut it down in Tamworth. And we won't stop, because right here is where everybody needs to be. Tell your friends, tell everybody, get down here. We can do this, we can do this. We've done it already, we can do this. Get everybody to come. Tell your friends now. Tell your friends. Send the people. You want 5. Everybody get 5 more. We want to be here for the month. We want to be here, but also we want to break their siege. The cops are protecting the weapons. That's UAV tactical systems. Elbit owns them. 85% of the drones that massacre Palestinians. And if you were in the grieving tents, or you were in the morgues, or you were there meeting the families afterwards, you would be smashing up those weapons yourself if you met what was left behind. Because it's what's left behind. If they could see the tears of the families as I did, and so many others who have been to Palestine did, and so many other Palestinians who are here right now. You ask any single one of them, it's just one story after another, and it's for 75 years. Well, enough! Enough! We can do this! We can do this!